Good morning, guys. So today we're leaving Georgia and we're crossing the border to Armenia. So impake lang and then we're heading out na, checking out sa hotel. Okay, see you in Armenia, guys. Come to Armenia!
Muntik na ako maiwan sa Georgia. Bukas na daw ako pumunta rito.
So friends, are you? As I know, all of you actually are from the Philippines, yeah? Yes, got it. And my name is Haik. I'll be your tour guide, and I'm gonna help you actually in Armenia. And also, friends, let me introduce our driver, Mache. Gonna ensure our safe drive to our destinations and way back to the airport also.
First stop in Armenia para sa mga makasalanan sa simbahan.
Salamat po sa mga kasalanan.
These types of carvings you can see also here. This is a similar carving. And this type of carving is called Doric carving.
Cemetery pala. Umakit na nakatingis siya. Lamig-lamig. Hindi ko na makita. Finally, karating na kami here sa hotel, sa Yerevan Palace Hotel. Yerevan is the capital of Armenia. Exploring the night here in Yerevan. Yerevan?
Yerevan.
Armenia. With my inom buddies. Oh my god, nap! So Yerevan is the capital of Armenia. Now we're staying dito sa Yerevan Palace Hotel. Tsaka sa sentro siya mismo. May nangyayari pong photoshoot dito.
This part of Yerevan is like the sun. If you can see the sun rays. And here we can see the statue of Alexander Kamanyan, and these two suns symbolize, the city before the renovation of Kamanyan and after the renovation process.
Oh, it's made of rubber. Gawa sa gulong, girl. Ang ganda. Gulong. Ang ganda. Lunchtime. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Video.
Uy! Ulo ka talaga.
Sige.
Tatayo ako dyan. Tapos sabi mo, pinapatawag ko kayong lahat!
So, friends, here we can see sample for HDF. You can go up. And also, friends, if you don't mind, let's go together to the bathhouse. Royal bathhouse is over there. There we're gonna actually explore how it looks like. Here also we have the screen and you can see the animation what it looks like. And after that, and also I will show you which places we have in that part. And after that, if you always you have any questions, you can enjoy your time.
Okay. Oh, tara na. Ligo doon sa bathhouse.
Block ko kayo.
Ancient Armenians, like the Greeks and Romans, highly valued baths as places for cleansing and healing the body, as well as holding meetings, political discussions, and performing rituals. Built in the 3rd century, this royal bath consists of 5 rooms in consecutive order.
The Symphony of Garni Stones.
Pwede sumakay nga.
Hi, we're back in the hotel. Freshen up lang. Because we're having a dinner. So tomorrow another day. I'm not gonna bring you na sa dinner. Iwan ko na tong camera. I'll see you tomorrow na. Okay? Bye. Araw na po ng pagiging Dora natin dito sa Armenia. So, last ikot. Let's go. Mas kami makutang ngayon. We're here na again sa first area. Charot. First tourist destination. Simbahan again. Ay! Doggy, doggy, doggy. Ah, bigay ni Kuya. Mag-aaral ka daw ng Armenian alphabet. Ano meron dyan, Rochelle? Where? Ah! Si Ararat. Ah, tara ni Buntis sa maora, oh. Kitang-kita si Mount Ararat. I think this is the last monastery na pupuntahan namin. So we're here at Noravak Monastery.
Like it was used by different municipalities in Armenia, not only here. For example, in Gernat Municipality, it was used by different municipalities.
Papunta tayo sa Cueva. Ang Cueva ni Medusa. Wow! Dami na naman ng energy, nakakain na.
So, friends, this part actually, when you go upstairs, the first thing that you can see is this part where the jars actually were revealed during archaeological excavations. And
Grabing exercise na to. Yako guys. Okay, inuman na. Mukbangan ng wine. Bawal si Buntis.
Describe ba?
Turkey. Taiwan in Arenis Winery Welcome that was founded in 1994 by Simon Yasta. It is a small local life our wine factory has nearly 31 years of history. Now you are in our storage. And our storage consists of two parts. In the first part, you see big old local wooden barrels. And inside these wooden barrels, we keep and age almost all types of red, dry, and white dry wine that are producing in our wine factory. We only age red, dry wine inside these old local wooden barrels. And 1.5 years, no more. Then we bottle the wine immediately because what's about wine it should be bottled immediately after 1.5 year aging. The longest period is 1.5 years, no more. To make a red dry wine inside the bottle is very old aging keep to our in red dry wine and what is over for making old local wooden barrels. Medium types typical Armenian homemakers with nearly 100 years history. Besides producing traditional wines, we produce also some seasonal wines. It comes from pomegranate, cherry, blackberry, peach, mix that is a local food for us. We have also looked at actual strong mix that is called porter. They over 52% alcohol by and our winery is technical porter that has 40% alcohol.
Розовое сухое вино. А эти уже красное сухое. Ну вот. Красный белый сухое и красное сухое вино. Потом все. Розовый край, red край, semi край, and semi sweet. Semi sweet is that there is no sugar. No fermentation process.
Kaya uwi na ang mga Dora. Dora the Explorer. I'll see you in Manila. Bye.